Hi, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Neo Nails. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a geometric design matte effect. So we're going to do a geometric design using gel and also acrylic powder. It'll give you a matte effect as well. So first of all we're going to start with using the ice white gel. Going to need a detailing brush. You're literally going to draw with this product. And I want you to draw some geometric shapes, so you've got like triangles, anything with a hard line to it. And I want you to follow up the sides. You still need to leave this gap in between so you can see the black coming through. I want you to keep the sides nice and straight. Just literally filling in the centre of this shape. Just tease it down and over. That's it. So it doesn't matter where you place them, it can be really random. As long as they've got straight sides, they don't touch each other, and you can see that black coming through, it'll look cool. So I've already applied back to black on this nail, and I've also top coated it with Mega Gloss. So there's no sticky layer on the surface of this nail. I'll do a tiny little one here. And again, not letting the shapes touch. And then we're going to get the pure white acrylic powder. We're going to use a cuticle pusher as a little spoon. Going to go into the powder and let that just sprinkle over the top of the gel. Let it sink into the gel, and this is going to give it a matte effect. So it's going to be embossed because it's going to be raised, but it'll be matte as well. And I'm just going to tap the finger. Get rid of any excess, and then you want to just check and make sure that there's no shiny parts to the gel. So that's all looking matte. So what we're going to do now is put that into the UV lamp. We're going to put it in for an extra 30 seconds. So instead of 2 minutes, we're going to put it in for 2.5 minutes. They've been in the lamp for 2.5 minutes. Just going to dust off the excess powder. You can still see you've got your shiny gel polish under there still. And I've done this one as well. I've done a full nail on this one. Then what we're going to do is wipe over. We're going to wipe over with some gel residue. Wipe off solution. To make sure there's no stickiness anywhere on that. It'll wipe off some of the particles of acrylic from the nail. Now what we're going to do on the other ones, we're going to do a similar kind of thing, but we're going to use some different powders. So on this white nail, we're still going to use the ice white gel. We're going to use a different powder. And I'm going to keep it really simple. There's only going to be a few shapes on this one. Don't forget to keep the sides nice and straight. Now we're going to use Diamonds Are Forever. Let it fall and tap it to to get rid of the excess. You couldn't leave it like that and put it in the lamp because the light would not get to the gel. So you've got to tap off as much excess as you can so you can see the emboss work there, and that can go in the lamp for 2.5 minutes as well. So that's cured. We've got to dust off the excess. You can see that some of the particles are left on the white there, so we're going to wipe over with the gel residue wipe off solution. So just clean that up nice. And then what we're going to do on this one, we're just going to apply some stones. So this will finish off the simple design. Using the Mega Gloss Sealer Gel, we're going to adhere these to the nail. Because it's slightly thicker, it's awesome for putting stones on. So just bob a little bit where you want to put the stones. I'm going to do the same on this one. Same on here, going to use some black and silver on this one. You only need a little tiny bit of the gel. Make sure your stones are in place before you put them in the lamp, because they may tend to slide a little bit. Check your stones. And when you're happy that they're where you want them. You can put them straight into the lamp and cure that for 2 minutes in a UV or 1 minute in a LED. So they're cured, so they're all secure now. You don't need to go over the top of them with any gel polish or top coat or anything. They're nice and secure, sat in the Mega Gloss Sealer Gel. All we need to do now is pop a bit of cuticle oil on. So we've got the coconut one here. Just pop that around the cuticle. And we're going to massage that in. And that's that design completely finished.